Morning everyone, we're going for a lunch in Edinburgh at Scran and Scally. I'm still external mic-less. It's not going on my camera and it's very frustrating because I just bought it for this trip. But anyhow, let's get going. Super lucky, found a parking spot. Really easy, just when we drove in, literally 2 minutes from the restaurant, so now we're just going there and then we're gonna have some food. Right now we are just making our way around the city, visiting the sights and taking in the mood. It's definitely busy today compared to usual, I presume, because the weather is really nice right now. It's really sunny and it's kind of cool temperature wise, so it's really enticing people to go out, explore and make the most of the day. Parked our car and now we're just walking around. In front of me there's like a group of students from Germany. Why can't my school trips be like this? My school took me freaking like Dave & Buster's in Manhattan. They take their kids to Edinburgh, what? Anyway, goals. We are at Starbucks right now. I just bought a strawberries and cream frappuccino. The good thing about Starbucks is because we have a US card we can use in the UK without much trouble. So, waiting for our overpriced drink, I suppose you could say.
So welcome to Craigmillar Castle, and as you know, it's probably has a cool name and it's a castle.
This is one of the entrances to Craigmillar Castle. Now, 10 years ago to this day, I happened to be standing in this exact spot for my aunt's wedding at Craigmillar Castle. And it's kind of interesting to be back 10 years later and to see nothing has really changed, but it's different to see with new eyes, and obviously being much older, I can comprehend some of the things within it.
All around, and now we're going to talk.
This was once a kitchen, but it got converted into a bedchamber during the 16th century. Just left the indoors of the castle and now making our way outside, climbing up right now. Today I visit another retail store, but one that is more close to home, IKEA. It's not a meal, it's a snack. That ended up being just your regular IKEA run, nothing too special. Bought a few batteries and an alarm clock because I kind of need to wake up early on weekdays and not much else. So there you go.